welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. To all of our new subscribers, I see you all. Thank you so much for choosing us and joining this family. And for every one of you who have been here from day one, and also those of you who joined on the way, I want to know that we really appreciate you. Thanks for always coming back to watch our videos. Thanks for the love, the like, the shares, the comments, everything that you always do on this channel to keep it up and running. So guys, today I want to give a shout out to a few of you. I'm trying to get all of you into my video because you all means a lot to me. So today I'm just going to give a shout out to a few of you, and I hope you all enjoy this vlog. Okay, so firstly I want to give a shout out to Alice Honor. Alice Honor, you've been here since day one. Like, your comments is everywhere, your likes is everywhere. Thank you so very much. You've been our support. Like, you've supported us a lot, you've shown it, and we see it, like it's showing. So thank you for always coming back. So our next shout out to go to Bami Kitchen. Bami Kitchen, my kitchen mates. Yeah, it's nice meeting you here. Thank you so much for always commenting and always watching our videos. I really appreciate all of your support. Then I want to go straight to Cakes by Ife. Cakes by Ife, you are a real girl. Thank you so much. Like, I don't even know where to start from. You always comment, you always like. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Thanks for also sharing our videos. And I want to move on to Ogon series. Like, Ogon series, I recently subscribed to her channel, and since then she have visited me more than I can even imagine. She comments, she likes, in fact, I don't know where to start from. Thank you so much. None of that is taken for granted. I really appreciate you. Then I want to move. The last but not the least goes to Jennifer Rowland. Thank you so much for loving our videos, for commenting, for doing the needful. Thank you for pushing this channel forward. I really do appreciate you, girl. So today's video, I really want to talk about my business, and I want you all to actually support me in that part. This is Christmas, past 12, and I'm just getting to sit down. Like, I just had my bath, I'm just sitting down because I've been like all over the place since I woke up. It has been from one park to another, trying to dispatch babies, you get. So this is Christmas, and most of the job of mine that I take very serious during this period is actually the Chinchin part of it. Like, I make the best Chinchin in Nigeria, guys. You need to, I don't know how to even explain. Talking about it is like I'm just hyping. I don't know, but hopefully someday someone on this channel will be like my customer, or somebody that patronized me in the past might just come to this channel and just tell you all, like, this Chinchin is goodness. Your kids, your grandma, your husband, anybody can eat it and they will enjoy it so well. It's crunchy, it's soft. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Like, you know, when you bite, it's crunchy, but the inside, it's soft, it's milky. I can't even explain it enough, but I want to tell you that it's something you all need to try. Yeah, you all need to try it. Like, this is XMAS, and this is like one of the business that I can actually send out of my location. So it's not something that only people, Shogo or around can patronize me on. So it's something that you can actually place your order and I will send to you wherever you are. In the past, we've sent to the UK, we sent to US, we sent to Canada, we sent to Dubai. In fact, we sent to a lot of places. So not you in Nigeria, you don't have an excuse. So please support my business. Like, during the Xmas time, you want to serve your guests some light snack or drink, like snack and drink, just so to keep the day going. This is the best choice. I don't know if I'm saying it enough. Like, this is the best choice. So earlier today, I have a vendor in Lagos that actually buy in bulk. I mostly make in bulk. I don't really have like smaller cups because I have vendors that buy in bulk from me and they repackage. You get, so that leaves me to just stable on making in bulk. So to give them the leverage of selling, right? So I sell in bulk, but for the Xmas because of the Xmas season, I'm open to selling like a custard bucket. I'll try and put the picture on the screen. I sell on like a custard bucket. I don't sell with the bucket because if I'm selling with the bucket, there's a lot of loss for you. You will be losing a lot of chin. Like the cover, when I cover the bucket, is going to like reduce your quantity. So I measure with the bucket and I turn in a very secure bag. Like this bag, you can leave your chin there for a month or more and it will still be fresh and crunchy. So the bag is actually a food preserving bag. So I will measure it and it will have to be full in like full to the brim, you get, and I will just measure it and turn it in this bag. That is how I deliver. So because of the Xmas season, I know most people will not want to buy like in a bigger quantity, right? And because I want each and every one of you to patronize me, because patronize me. So I'm going to, the lowest you can get will be the custard cup, which I think they call the small paint cup, right? So that would be like the lowest, then followed by the topper buckets. Yeah, the topper bucket, then followed by big paint buckets. Yes, those are like the buckets, but mostly before now, what I sell is like in bags. We make in like industrial, we make in large quantity within a short period. So what I sell is in bags. So but now I'm going to like have it in buckets and I'm going to deliver it to you fresh and well preserved. So please, I beg you, patronize me. Like this video, I actually wanted to sit down. I didn't want to make it when I'm on the way. I actually wanted to get to sit down and beg you people, patronize me. I will try, I will leave the, not try what when I'm begging you. I will leave the link of my business WhatsApp in the comment, in the description. So please just click on the link and you'll be direct to me. I don't get PA, I don't get secretary, I don't get what in they call them I don't have anybody working for me. This is a one-man mopo work. So it's me that you'll be chatting with. Just click on the link and patronize me. Because let the message be about this Chinchin matter. Like this Chinchin matter, because it's very important to me like this time. So please patronize me. You have your family here and you are abroad. We can deliver to them. Like in good condition. We can deliver to them. So when you message me, I will send you the price list because I'm still trying to work on it in order for me to give you a good and a discounted price. You get, I might be mentioning the price in my next video, just I don't know yet, okay? But then when you message me on WhatsApp, I'm going to provide you with the price because things are expensive, but I'm trying to give you a very well crafted price so you don't have issues ordering from me. So thank you so much, everyone. What I want to tell you again is for those of you that want to okay, let me first of all say this. I know most of you want to go to the comment section and start asking for recipe. I am going to share a recipe of my chinchin to you, but the recipe I'm sharing, please, is going to be the one for family, like the one you can just make and eat. If you make it and you want to go into business with it, do the needful, go into business with it. But if you want to go into my bulk production, like the recipe we used to produce in bulk, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be giving it out here. Reason is because over the years, since 2018 when I started this Chinchin business, a lot, like in my Telegram group, a lot of people are there. They paid good amount of money for this recipe. Your favorite Chinchin vendor on Instagram, they paid to get this recipe. Like I can call names. Talisha Crunches. There are so much. Like they are big time Chinchin vendors on Instagram. They paid to get this recipe. So I won't be giving it out like that, because it's going to really affect them, or I'm going to start getting complaints like, oh, you sold it to us, now you're giving that, you are giving it out for free, and we are going to have a lot of competition and all that. So please, if you're interested in this recipe in any way, it's okay, but please contact me. You pay for it and you get the recipe. But then for those of you who won't want to order from me, but you want to make for your family at home, I will give you a recipe for just your family use. Like, I have a good recipe that will work for you, like to give to your loved ones or your family around you. So please bear with me, guys. Chinchin, that's why I didn't want to talk about chinchin since, because I don't want to offend anyone by giving out chinchin recipe for free when I actually sold it. I'm still selling it. Like yesterday, yeah, on Tuesday, someone paid again for the recipe. So I won't want to like put like out my business in that way. So guys, that is it. And also, good news, if you want to go into the business, the chin chin business, but you don't want to go through the stress of making, doing this and doing that, but you want to have your own brand, you want to go into the chin chin business. Like I said this morning, I sent bags of chin chin out to our vendors, like people that buy and rebrand in Lagos and in Abuja. So you can actually buy in bags. Like, our prices are good, the chin chin quality, it sells itself. Like, you don't need to talk too much. You can just sacrifice a jar and be giving as tester, or just pack in a small nylon. But the moment they test, see, I don't need to talk too much. And you yourself, when you're selling, you don't need to talk too much. So if you are looking at going into chin chin business, I was thinking of giving you these details in January, because in January I will come back to back. Like, we are, anybody on this channel that is not into side hustle, this channel will, like, your body will be hot. So it's best you prepare yourself, because in January I'm bringing you all the businesses that you can do, even with 1,000, even without any capital at all. Okay, like, you can even sell that. Let me not even be in a rush. Okay, let's just talk chin chin for now. Like, let me promote myself. This is a paid promotion for myself. I'm paying myself, I'm promoting it. So let me just talk about that. But for in January, if you're not in this channel, try and be in this channel in January. I'm going to be giving you back to back, because in 2023 you are going to come back and tell me, I learned this from you, and then I have used it, and this is what I'm doing with it. That is what I want to hear. For now, if you want to go into a chinchin business, you don't want to go through the hustle, please contact me. The same WhatsApp number I'll put in on my description. Contact me with it, and I will give you all the details you need. Like, I will give you good prices. I will tell you how to go through with your stickers, and how to rebrand, how to package, how to sell, how to even, in fact, just contact me. I'm not telling you that all of this is going to be for free. Please, I'm trying to make ends meet for myself as well. So please contact me. I will give you ideas on how to approach supermarkets and other places where you can actually advertise your stuff and even get customers as well. So guys, that is what I want to bring to you today. So like I said, I've been out and I've done a lot of deliveries. So I just say, okay, you people need to know, because I'm looking for customer, and my customer, it can be in this YouTube street. So why not? If not, guys, go to the description, click the link, and contact your girl. Let's do business together. Okay, thank you for always, thank you for watching, thank you for everything. So I'm just going to put a clip of, like, few clip of our production process after my blabbing. I'm just going to put it there. So just look at it and see how we produce. Like, we produce the best, the most milky, buttery chin chin you can ever ask for. So please, guys, do the needful. Patronize your girl, okay? Thank you so much. Have a good day. Enjoy. See you in Vlogmas Day 8. Okay? Bye.
I know good stuff, I know good sense. My life is never gonna die.